All right, it's video time. Here's more on the teardown of Ben's unit. I didn't get any pictures of direct clutch last night. Here's direct clutch smokage. Everything's done. I don't even know what size these steels are. Doesn't matter. They're scrap. There's a pressure plate. It's scrap. It says up. That looks like a stock pressure plate. And 6 steels. This is all scrap. Here's the pressure plate that I use. No, it's not 4140. Yes, it's way better than stock. It's an excellent upgrade every unit. Here's another thing we have is he's got the stronger springs in the drum for dual feeding it. Great. There you go. It's not flat. This guy's warped from those strong springs, so this is trash. That's why I had this piece made. This piece is made out of the same material as this, so I'm gonna have a bunch of these as well. So this will go with that. And now we move on to the forward drum. I took the forward drum apart, and then I realized there's something else missing here. These aluminum pistons are really nice. They're cool. You don't need the apply ring if you use the aluminum piston. They're a little bit more expensive. I don't see the benefit unless you just like the bling factor, and that's fine too. Here's a stock piston. Nice. Okay. But here's the problem. Look at this drum. What's this drum missing, guys? Missing something. Here we go. Here's another drum. Oh, what is that? That's an air bleed. So that's an air bleed. And here is the aluminum piston that GM used, which I wouldn't use these because these crack. And 1, 2 air bleeds. So this piston here, come on, buddy. This piston here needs air bleeds. We need air bleeds so that the air can get out of the clutch when it's applied. So we'll add the air bleeds into this guy when I do it. I'm not saying that's killed anything. I'm just saying that, again, obviously it worked. It's just not ideal, and that's ideal. We do everything we can to make sure that they're the best they can be, and that's not the best they can be. Another thing I found on the forward drum was the use of scarf cuts. Again, scarf cuts the fluid gets behind them and pushes them out, and they will leak. Right there's where they leak. Okay, so if you use a solid Teflon and you size it, that problem goes away. So we'll go back with solid Teflons here. We'll go back with solid Teflons on the center support. This is the scarf cuts that were on the center support. Pretty normal setup with the Sonac servo. Made a video about that yesterday. Don't see any problem there. Hopefully the pin's not too short now that I gotta put a new band in it. If so, I'll have to get a new pin. And that's really it on this unit. I'm not expecting to find anything in the bottom. If I do, I'll post it up, but we'll see. So perfectly savable. It's getting warmed up. It's going to go in the jet wash, and then it will get in line with the rest of the guys.